Today we will cover the home orientation for your new home. This will entail what you need to know about your home's orientation and warranty. The Desert Wind Homes warranty manual that you received covers the 1-year limited warranty on your new home. We encourage you to read the manual and become familiar with this coverage and the home care and maintenance information that is provided. This 1-year limited warranty covers the items as defined in the homeowner's manual. There are other items that have various coverage from the manufacturer beyond the close of the home or after the first year. Some of these are: the hot water heater has a variable warranty that is prorated for the time in service. Should it fail and repairs cannot be made, call the toll-free number on the tank and give them your serial number to see what your replacement discount will be. Your HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, components. The standard warranty is 5 years for parts only. Labor is not covered. For your windows, the standard warranty is for 5 years, parts only, no labor. This covers the seal between the panes only. All breaking and scratches are excluded. Electrical appliances. The warranty for all electrical appliances is directly from the manufacturer to the homeowner after the close of the home. You will need to register them with the manufacturer after you close and submit any request to them. Your 2-year warranty is for the following systems: plumbing, piping only, exclusive of fixtures; electrical wiring, exclusive of fixtures; and ductwork only. Requests for service and warranty should be submitted to Desert Wind Homes. Your 10-year structural warranty is covered under third-party insurance, for which you receive a certificate shortly after closing. This includes such items as floor framing, columns, beams, footings, and foundations. Consult your policy for a complete description. This warranty stays with the home and is transferable to subsequent owners. Please note, unless specifically defined by Desert Wind Homes, all other items covered under the 1-year warranty only. Towards the end of your limited 1-year warranty, Desert Winds will remediate any effects of settling. This could include doors that no longer latch, cracks in the drywall, particularly at the tops of windows and doors, nail poppers where screws are working out through the drywall, or sunken pavers. Please send a service request to service@Desert Wind Homes if you discover these. Desert Wind Homes does not conduct a 1-year walk, so it is your responsibility to notify our customer service to arrange for repairs. In addition to a number of reminder handouts, you will also receive today a USB memory stick which contains all of the information as the one given to you at your contract. Secondly, you will receive another copy of the homeowner's manual. And lastly, you will receive the Recovery Fund Bulletin from the Nevada State Contractors Board. Your home has 2 zones with 1 FAU or heater. The downstairs thermostat controls the temperature that triggers the heat. You can turn it up and put it on permanent hold or temporary hold. You can program it for days of the week and times to come off and on. The second floor thermostat controls airflow by means of a dampener in the duct system. Raising the temperature up and down does not trigger the heater, only diverts airflow, less or more depending on the temperature. Make sure to change your air filter on a regular basis. It's located under the grill at the air intake in the ceiling. Normally, you would change this filter every 3 to 6 months, or as directed on the filter depending on the type of filtration you are using. It should be placed with the arrow pointed up as the airflow is into the FAU. Make sure that the filter is installed under the retaining flange and not on top of it, with the airflow arrow indicating up. The main shutoff for the house may also be located here if you have a sprinkler system. If you have a fire sprinkler system, the main shutoff for the house water, not including the irrigation system, is found in the garage next to the hot water heater. If the valve is parallel, it is open. If it is perpendicular, the water to the house is off. In some homes, the water shutoffs will appear in a dual configuration. The upper valve being the shutoff for the house, the lower valve being the shutoff for the irrigation system. When the handles are perpendicular to the line, it is off. When they are parallel, it is open. The main water shutoff for the entire property is located at the street in the water box next to your meter. You turn this valve to line the holes up, and the water is shut off for the property, both the house and the irrigation system. The shutoff for the gas in your home is located at your gas meter. If you ever smell gas in your home, come immediately to your meter, take a pair of pliers or a wrench and line these two holes up, and that shuts the gas off to the house. After that, call NV Energy. All faucets and toilets have an on-off supply valve, with the exception of bathtubs and showers. Most are a pull type. Pull for off, push for on. One for hot, one for cold. All of your toilets have an on-off valve, the push-pull type, pull for off, push for on. Bathroom sinks, also equipped with the push-pull valves for the water supply. The hot water heater and the manual are located in the garage, along with the controls to adjust the temperature of the hot water. If your home is equipped with appliances furnished by the builder, the manuals and registration forms are located in a drawer in the kitchen. This would include the microwave, the range, the stove, the dishwasher, the refrigerator, and the washer and dryer, depending on your home. Please fill out the registration forms as soon as possible, as the warranty for these items is between the homeowner and the appliance manufacturer as soon as you close. All other appliances, such as the dishwasher, garage door opener, hot water heater, are covered under the limited warranty from Desert Wind Homes for the first year. Your main electric panel is on the side of your garage, at the front entrance, or the opposite side. You have a master shutoff that shuts the power off for the entire house, and the individual breaker box identified by each room. Some of the rooms have an arc fault circuit interrupter, reset, so if they trip from an overload or an arc detected, it will go to this position, take it all the way off and on. The ground fault circuit interrupters are located in the house. There are 2 coach lights on the front of your house. These are controlled by a light sensor to turn on at night and off in the morning. Your home is equipped with ground fault circuit interrupters, commonly known as GFIs. These will be located in the kitchen, all bathrooms, the garage, and any exterior outlets. If they trip, a red light will appear. Simply push the reset button to reset. Please be aware that if you have a kitchen island, the circuit protection is at the counter, and all bathrooms, regardless of how many bathrooms, all are wired to one GFI in one of the bathrooms. If your townhome is equipped with a fire suppression sprinkler system, the access panels are found in the garage. There is a tag indicating it was tested and the date of the test. You are required as the homeowner to have this tested on an annual basis. The companies who do this test are given on the handout that you received today. If your home has an irrigation system that is the responsibility of the homeowner, you will need to drain this system before the first freeze in the fall and start it again in the spring. It's a simple procedure that requires the use of an irrigation key. Depending on how far down the valves are, you may want to put a pen light so that you are located on top of the valves. It's important to be on the valve and not the PVC to avoid cracking the piping. In the fall, you turn off the water supply in one column, and in the other, you open the vent. It will fill momentarily with water. Leave it this way until the spring to make sure that the backflow loop has been drained of all water. In the spring, you would do the reverse. Close the vent valve and open the water supply. The on-off water supply will be marked at your home, either on top of the cap or by a different color sprayed inside the pipe. If your home has an irrigation system for which the homeowner is responsible, you will find a timer in your garage. In the spring, when you activate the system, you turn to run and set the time, the start times, and the amount of time you wish it to run. Some homes have both sprinkler and drip. Townhomes are only drip. To winterize your system, you shut off the valve in the garage for the irrigation system first. Then open the drain valve located below ground in your backyard. Make sure that the valve on the line in the backyard is also open with the handle parallel to the line. If you have an electric garage door opener and lose power, there is an emergency release located here. When you pull, it disengages from the track
and allows you to manually open the door. If you have an electric garage door opener installed, you should never engage the manual lock found on the door. The low voltage transformer in your garage shown here is controlled by a GFCI. If the garage door GFCI trips, you will lose power at your garage door and your doorbell.
This concludes your orientation video. If you have any questions, please let us know. Welcome to your new community, and thank you from Desert Wind Homes.